So day 2 tayo, Ma'am Lilac. 2 exercise natin. First set is barbell bench press tayo. So sa'yo muna, start natin with yung block no bar. So check natin yung form. Imagine nakahiga na ako. Yung tenga malayo, yung shoulders malayo sa tenga. Ganyan. So magsa-slide down. Tapos lift na konti yung chest. Squeeze pa rin yung shoulder back. Yung shoulder blades. Yan. Squeeze pa rin natin ganun. Para ma-lift yung chest. Tapos may konting arch sa likod. Okay pa? Again. So inhale pababa ng bar. Tapos push all the way up. Squeeze. Okay? So parang ganito siya. Tignan natin. So check. So from here, target natin lower ribs or chest line. Inhale down. Exhale, push. Okay, so slow, slow, slow. Quick push. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Tapos, push natin. So, may konting arch sa likod yan. Tapos, yung shoulders slide away from your ears. Okay? Tapos, inhale pababa. Tapos, quick push. Now, abs brace. Keep tight sa core. Alright? And then, yun po, same weight tayo sa next exercise natin.